If you're a company that uses purchase orders for your invoicing or your buying of services and products, this feature is available in Xero. How to access it? You go to Business, then you go to Purchase Orders. Now, bear in mind that one of the good things about purchase orders is if you're entering a purchase order, the same information can then be used as an invoice or a bill, which means that you don't have to enter information more than once. So to create a purchase order, you select New Purchase Order. You enter the contact, so let's do Alpha Pro Partners for example. Enter the date and delivery date. And then a reference. So you can put PO number 123 for example. If you've got a separate PO number to your order, then that's where you do that. You can then put a description and you can put consulting services, put a quantity, unit price 100, account can be cost of sales for example, and then you'll have your tax rate. And then this is where you'd enter the relevant tracking information if that's relevant. So you could put North for example, and product could be C. You can enter, if it's a physical product, obviously you can enter delivery instructions here. That doesn't mean that if you're selling services or buying a services, you can't enter that there as well. If you select Save, what then happens is if you go to your purchase orders draft, you can see a purchase order here in draft. If you've got, different people doing different functions within the company, you can have one person entering the purchase order, another person approving it. So the next person could then submit for approval, and then it will go under awaiting approval. Then you can send it to your client through Xero, or you can print and then send through your own email. So here's my purchase order. Once it's been approved by the customer or the client, you can then select approve, and then it's in the approved section. And then from there you have a number of options. Now you can copy it to another bill, another invoice or purchase order, or you can create a bill from it. So we're going to mark PO number 0010 as billed, click OK. And then it goes here. And then again from here, what I can do is I can copy it to a bill. And then you can see all the information I added has been included as well. The only thing I need to do is add a due date. Now remember, if you enter the due date in the contact, it will be automatically populated. Select approve, and then you've just created a bill from the workflow of purchase orders within Xero.